In this video, I'm going to show you how to harmonize this hymn with mostly chord 1, 4, and 5. Let's start with the first phrase. Chords for the first phrase I'm going to use are 1, 5, 4, 1. So chord 1, 5, 4, 1. Now, if you want to move from 1 to 5, it's not a good idea to jump your hands like that. Because if you move too much, it's more prone to mistake. And also you have something called parallel fifths, which is not very desirable in playing the music. So to play chord 5, I want to play this note and this note, yeah, 5, 7, 2. It can be any 5, 7, 2, or it can be any G, B, D. So I'm going to play these 3, because if I play chord 1 like here, I only need to move my 2 fingers down. Yeah. And next, if I want to play chord 4, the chord 4 has those 3 notes, 4, 6, 1. Yeah. But if my hand is mostly in this area, maybe I want to use those combination. It's a second inversion of the chord 4. So to combine 1, 5, 4, 1, I will go for 1, 5, 4, 1. Yeah, I'll do it again. 1, 5, 4, 1. Now, if I'm going to add the right hand, the second phrase is exactly the same as the first one. 5 again. Now, I'm going to move into the third phrase. When we have the third phrase, we have a chord 6. Occasionally, if you use some other chord, it makes the whole piece more interesting. So 6 has 6, 1, 3 over here. Again, if I want to keep least movement on my hand, I will play 6, 1, 3. Yeah. So that's 1, and that's 6. 1, 6. Yeah. It's very easy to move. Last phrase is the same as the first phrase, so we can now put everything together. 1, chord 5, 4, 1, 1, 5, 4, 1, 6. Repeat. 1. Thank you very much for watching.